Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep Kaur. Today I am going to speak about assignment of 7400 IT Service Management and Professional Culture. This is a group assignment. In this group assignment, we are three members, me, Mandeep Singh and Robin Kumar. The assignment is all about the understanding of IT service management. In this assignment, what we do, we have to collect data from first to 8 week and give the brief description of IT service management. What is IT service management and how it applied in practical life? As first, I'm going to give the introduction, like emphasizing on exploring various aspects of ITSM in International Business Machine Corporation that deals with the providence of IT services, demonstrate how the proposition of the business can easily be increased with the help of design of ITSM framework, International Business Machine Corporation framework. First of all, I briefly describe what is IT service management. IT service management is a strategic approach for designing, delivering, managing, and improving the way information technology is used with an organization. And then I give the various application of IT service management. First one is problem management, second one is incident management, third one is project management, the fourth one is change management, and fifth one is knowledge management, and the sixth one is asset management. These are the six applications of IT service management. To further describe about this assignment, Mandeep and Robin Kumar are here, so they start now. Thank
Hi everyone, my name is Mandeep Singh and I'm discussing about evaluation of a practical case. In ITSM framework, implication can be understood in proper manner with the practical case evaluation on the basis of IT best practices. The particular system significantly focuses on the providing the best practices on the basis of service desk capabilities, including IBM cloud application performance of resolving and spotting infrastructure and application issue. The client centric ITSM system can be taken into account as the best approach because it simply prevents the incidents rather than management of those incidents. Next is business value creation. It involves employee satisfaction, onboard process, and productivity. Employee satisfaction. IBM employee consider satisfaction for their positive experience acquired in relation to the service desk, which is taken into consideration as the tangible measures. Onboard processes. IBM has a successful in the measuring the time taken by a company in order to get people up and running and whether the agility level is matched as needed by the business. The next is with the value characteristics, value creation, and perceived values. Value characteristics. The characteristics on ITSM can be done on the basis of significant terms incorporating the value change over the time as well as circumstances. Definition of value set by customer, affordable mix of feature as well as achievement of objectives. Value creation. Two aspects are included within this particular framework of ITSM. In this context, like the service abilities and value creation to help the client in order to achieve the appropriate and intended outcome of business. Perceived value. Three important questions has been influenced in perceived value of framework of ITSM depending on the recognition of the core services of IT to the clients. The next is procedure to develop self-service management. First of all the service management developments should be considered as the understanding of the objective and goals of IBM at a high levels. The recognizing of the organizational prospects in the second step for the developing service management that drives to improve such as the implementation service management That's it. And next, further discussed by my friend Robin. Thank you.
From the procedure to develop a service manager, and these are the procedure to develop a service manager. The first one is the project consideration, which one is a significant method as well as where people, technologies and process are recognized and confirmed as well. Second one is the setting up the implementation strategies. The aim is the establishment of the definition of a formal strategies for the purpose of developing strategies of services. And the after that, the service management improvement plan. This plan is divided into 5 different parts. The first one is goal, another one is action, and the third one is the time completion a particular action. Fourth one is the responsible person, which person is responsible for the task, and the last one is result. First goal is the service availability enhancement in regards to web access. The action is that the getting license for a service tax system. The second one is training to the personnel of help desk and users. The third one is monitoring of availability, and the fourth one is web access configuration for client. The time completion is the first one is 20 days, second one is 25 days, and the third one is the 7 months, and the fourth one is 25 days. The responsible person is the for getting license. The supply management is responsible for that. The for training to a personal help desk, the knowledge manager is responsible for that. The availability manager is responsible for monitoring all the availabilities. The application manager is responsible for access any configurations of client. The result is the outcome is that the increase in service availability throughout the getting access on the web. The second goal is the improvisations of the client satisfactions level with help desk. The action is that monitoring client satisfaction, survey redesign and application process for survey, task enhancement to take the help desk follows up. The time completion is that to take 25 days, 20 days and the 10 days. The responsible person is client satisfaction manager and CSI manager. The result is that customer satisfaction enhancement. And I want to come in the conclusion. The conclusion is that after conducting the whole paper, it can be evaluated that the study has established in a significant way the deepened understanding over the process of applying the ITSM and the service management as well as within the organization activities. The business related case on the business, the ITSM portfolio of IBM has been considered and the report has evaluated the system to be a client in a centric process. After that, these are the references which use in a presentations, and thank you.